Alright, I'm working on a 94 S10 with the CPI intake. And I was seeing if anybody's ever seen this. My firing order that's matching online, or the ones online, is saying that my one is supposed to be here, but it wouldn't start. You know, I tried everything. I changed the coil, I changed the cap, I changed the rotor, I changed the connection control module, and it still wouldn't work. So I ended up, out of desperation, I just moved my one all the way back and I reversed it. So now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we got 6 way over here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's 6 coming all the way back straight down. So I want to see it's either they put the distributor in wrong the first time, and that's, you know, it's backwards. So that's my one, and my one should be up here. I don't know what's going on, but you know, my car was sitting for 3 days. I didn't know what was going on out of desperation, because I knew I had spark and everything, so I ended up doing this. So let me know if you have anything like this, because this is pretty random. So I'm gonna post it as a crank no start video in case somebody else might need this. It might help somebody else who's stranded. All right.